Salut, c'est Nishi. Hello, this is Nishi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to conjugate the verb aller in present tense with examples. And I would like you to stay with me until end. If you didn't subscribe yet, consider subscribing my channel as I upload new tutorial for you every week. Okay, aller means to go. It's a highly irregular verb and that's why we have to learn it by heart as it is one of the most powerful verbs in French. Also, we need this verb conjugation in present tense to talk about near future. That is, we need it in near future tense. Quite important, right? Okay then, let's see how to conjugate this verb in present tense. Je vais, I go or I am going. Tu vas, il va, elle va, on va. Nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Now one more time and this time please repeat after me. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, on va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Now about the pronunciation. There are two liaisons. Here nous allons and here vous allez. Liaison, that is the link between two words, as the first word ends with a consonant and the second one starts with a vowel. You can hear that I am pronouncing the final consonant S, not like S, right? It gets changed, sounding like Z, like Z. This is because when S comes before a vowel, it sounds like Z, Z, Z sound. Nous allons, vous allez. Okay? Now examples. Let's see some sentences using this verb conjugation in present tense. Il va au Canada. He is going to Canada. Nous allons au cinéma. We are going to the cinema. Je vais à la piscine. I am going to the swimming pool. Another example. Elle va faire de la vidéo. She is going to make video. You can see that this sentence is in the near future tense. That is, we use this verb to talk about near future. Okay, now let's quickly revise what we have learned so far. The conjugation of the verb aller in present tense. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, on va. Nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this tutorial, give a thumbs up. And if you have any question, comment below. A bientôt, au revoir. Bye bye.